My dear Islamic brothers and viewers on Madani Channel, 15 pearls of wisdom regarding sleeping and waking. Number 1, dust your bedding down properly before using it. For sleeping, to remove the insect or creature if there is any. Number 2, recite the following supplication before sleeping. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. O Allah Azza wa Jal. Translation, O Allah Azza wa Jal, I die and live with your name, meaning sleep and awake. Number 3, do not sleep after Salatul Asr, as it could cause insanity. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the one losing his intellect as a result of sleeping after Asr Salah should blame only but himself. My dear Islamic brothers, number 4, having siesta and nap during the afternoon is desirable. Sadr Sharia Badru Tariqa Alama Maulana Muhammad Mufti Muhammad Amjad Ali Azmi Rahmatullah Alayhi writes, this is probably for those people who stay awake at night offering their salah, remembering Allah Azza wa Jal, or remain busy with the study. Siesta removes the tiredness and cause by staying awake at night. Number 5, it is makruh to sleep at the start of the day or between Maghrib and Isha. Number 6, it is desirable to sleep in the state of purity, meaning with wudu. Number 7, it is also desirable to sleep on the right hand side with the right hand under the right cheek facing the Qibla for a short time, and then to sleep on the left side if you wanted to. Number 8, whilst going to sleep, ponder over sleeping in the grave where nobody will accompany you except your deeds. Number 9, while going to sleep, remember Allah Azza wa Jal, meaning keep planting those trees. Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, and say Subhanallah until you fall asleep, as a person will wake in the same state in which he falls asleep and will get resurrected on the day of judgment in the same state that which he dies. Allahu Akbar. Number 11, after you get up, make the firm intention of adapting piety and refrain from distressing others. Number 12, when a girl and a boy, my dear Islamic brothers and viewers on Madani Channel, those who may have kids around this age, pay real close attention, please. When the girl and the boy reaches the age of 10, they should be made to sleep on a separate beddings. A boy of this age should not sleep in the same bed with his peer or men. Number 13, when husband and wife sleep on the same bed, they should not allow a 10-year-old child to sleep with them. When the boy begins to feel lust, he is regarded as a man. And number 14, my dear Islamic brothers and viewers on Madani Channel, use miswak to clean your teeth when you wake up in the morning. Waking up at night to perform tahajjud is a great blessing. To the mercy of the universe, sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, after Farz Salah, the greatest Salah is the one performed during the night. That's referring to tahajjud.